Hello YouTube, this is Christopher Lakey coming from live from my bedroom. I'm doing a product review of the MTH second release of the MTH Locomotive's SD70 ACE Union Pacific 1989 Heritage Scheme, the Denver Rio Grande Western Locomotive. This is the second run of these. They tweaked the engine, all the noise, the horn, the bell, even the ditch lights, but everything else is the same. The only difference is you could program, basically you program the number, the type of the road number in, and it will stay programmed for a long time. You don't have to keep changing it every time, because of the first runs, you take it off the track and then you put it back on, you have to keep programming your number. The second release of the MTH locomotives, you do not have to do that anymore. So basically it's programmed into my throttle, so basically 1989 is the program. I already had it programmed, I had it turned off. It's the same sequence startup and everything. Basically it's the same. Everything's the same. Lights are the same blues tint, but I don't really care because I like the blues tint. Here's what the bell sounds. That's the guy talking. Same thing. Here's the bell. Here's the horn. There's the ditch lights. They improved the ditch lights. They changed the functions and stuff on it. It's a nice, really nice locomotive. The ditch light's bright. Everything is bright. It's a really nice locomotive. I like how they did it. There's the second run of these units. But the rear light is the same. It's pretty cool. I like the engine. There's my Intermountain 1859. I had those two hooked up. Basically I hitch them up together so and make my constants. I recently picked up these two Chicago Northwestern auto rack Walters Gold Line. Bought them for $38. Each one was $38, but it was a pretty good price for them. Here's all my model trains. This nose light's gotta be fixed. I'm working on that one. It's just for my railroad. This is all my stuff I have from my here in my model railroad. I have John Deere tractors on flat cars because I run John Deere stuff. Even have a Paul Menard's race car. I put it on there once in a while, but I used to work for him, but I don't anymore. But I have a reading. Basically everything you got. This is a lighted car. Basically here's my 4-6-0 1004 is my steam engine. So if you get any comments or anything, here's my first MTH locomotive. This one was a different. This was the first release of them, but this is my newest one. This is the second release of these Union Pacific units. They're nice engines. I mean, I know people have downsides of them, but MTH I like this one. So, and the packaging was nice. So, I'll give you one more run of this, and if you have any questions, comment on the bottom of my YouTube page. And it's smooth running like it used to supposed to. well-oiled machine. But after that, everything works fine. So that sequence still works with the dying sequence. There's that. All the functions are still the same, so. Except that function 11 on Digitrax. So. But, yeah. They did a really good job on the second runs. You gotta be very careful what you get on the locomotives. They have 3 tracks, MTH, HO scale, 3 rail tracks. You gotta be careful to what you order. But all in all, it's a good locomotive. Thanks for watching, and post down the bottom of my YouTube page. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.